Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I am going to take you through the steps of installing PnP SharePoint module. So when you install PnP SharePoint module, you have three options as of now. You can install the module for SharePoint Online, you can install the module for SharePoint 2016, and you can also install the module for SharePoint 2013. So I am going to show you how you can do. There are many ways. You can even download the installer and install, but if you have Windows 10 and above, you can directly use your PowerShell to run these install commands. So right now I'm going to install for SharePoint Online. So my command is going to be install module SharePoint PnP PowerShell Online. So it's asking me a decision. I say yes. So because I have already installed it, so it is giving me the option to upgrade it. Otherwise I can install others. So let me go for 2016. Yeah, as you see, this is now in the process. The first step of the process is to download the package. Then it is unzipping it. Now the package has been unzipped, so the installation is in progress. Okay, so once it is completed, we can go for updating our SharePoint PnP module. So for updating, this is the command update module SharePoint PnP PowerShell and this star. So I'm going to use this. And it is being updated. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.